Welcome to Python for Beginners.
Are you thinking about learning to code? Python is often recommended as the best first programming language for beginners. In this video, we'll explore the main reasons why Python is so popular among newcomers and how it can help you build a strong foundation for a tech career.
Simple, readable syntax.
One key reason Python stands out is its simple and readable syntax. The code closely resembles everyday English, making it easier to understand and write. This helps beginners focus on learning how to solve problems with code, rather than getting lost in complex grammar or excessive symbols.
Wide range of applications.
Python isn't just easy to learn, it's also very versatile. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, or game development, Python has a role to play. Its flexibility means you can quickly apply your skills to many different fields.
Strong community and learning resources.
As a beginner, having access to helpful resources makes a huge difference. Python's massive global community offers countless tutorials, forums, documentation, and support networks. No matter where you get stuck, it's easy to find clear answers and guidance as you learn.
Career opportunities and growth.
Learning Python opens doors to many tech careers. Employers value Python expertise in fields like software development, analysis, research, and automation. With so many companies relying on Python, it's a skill that can set you on a path toward career growth and exciting projects.
Start your coding journey with Python.
Python's simplicity, versatility, and strong community support make it an ideal first choice for anyone new to programming. If you're ready to begin your coding journey, Python offers an inviting and practical starting point. Explore, experiment, and see where Python can take you.